Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to put out another quick video, this time talking about what happens to the underlying stock price on the ex-dividend date. There's been a lot of confusion with regards to what happens to the stock. So I thought I would just do a quick example here with BOBE, Bob Evans Farms Incorporated. As you guys know, it recently issued a special dividend of $7.50, and since the special dividend is such a large price of the stock, we can kind of see what happens on the ex-dividend date in a very exaggerated sense. But this happens to all stocks on the ex-dividend date. So if we take a look at the 1 week graph here, you can see there's a big drop off here from the end of trading on the 24th here at $3.50 was $75. And on the beginning of the trading, it was right around $66, $67 or so. With the special dividend dropping the stock price by $7.50, we would expect about $67.50 or so, and that's really what we see here. This is done automatically by the stock exchange. Typically, this is not seen because a lot of stocks trading, for example, $67 or so, will have $1 dividend, and that dollar out of a $60 or $70 stock, you can't really see that. And you can also notice here, it doesn't exactly fall by that price because the stock is still moving with other market factors as well. It's still going up and down just like it would on a normal day. It's just simply having that dividend taken out of it automatically by the stock exchange at the beginning of the day, and then you can see here movements throughout the day bringing the stock up and down. And another big key point behind that as well is you'll see on the 52-week high here, it's now showing $67.81. So this is also taking into account that dividend payment as well, because obviously it was just trading at $75. You can see now it's only $67.81 for the 52-week high. There's been a lot of confusion with that as well. So this is a very good stock showing you that on the ex-dividend date, the stock price will drop by the dividend amount, but there's also going to be normal trading happening. So that's kind of hidden when the dividend payment is not quite as large as this particular dividend payment is here. It was about 10 to 11% of the overall stock price. I think with the stock being right at $75 is right at 10% or so, a little bit over 10%, but rounding right at 10%. So again, just to confirm, on the ex-dividend date with any stock, the stock price will drop by the price of the dividend, or the value of the dividend, whatever the value is issued, that will drop the stock price by that amount of money on the ex-dividend date. So hope that makes sense. I want to make this video too long, and I'll also talk a little bit about in the next video about whether trying to do a dividend capture strategy around special dividends and ordinary dividends is worthwhile or not, because obviously you're not going to be making the full 10% on the price of this dividend here. The stock price drops by that much, and there's a lot of momentum trading typically around events like this. So that's where opportunities can be had to do a dividend capture strategy. But like I said, I'll talk about that in the next video. But for this video, again, the dividend amount will be taken out of the stock price on next dividend date, guaranteed. It's done automatically by the stock exchange, but normal trading happens as well. So with dividends that are not quite as large as this one, they're hidden in the stock price, but here you can clearly see that $7.50 was taken out of the stock price. So yeah, I don't want to make the video too long, like I said, so I'll kind of end it here. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, I'll see you then.